Do you need to create ads for your business? Not sure where to start? What if I told you that there was a new AI tool that would create them for you? If that intrigues you, stay tuned. Hi, my name is Michelle, and we're going to take a look at a platform called Ad Gen AI. This isn't a sponsored video. I recently had a client and she wanted to create some animated ads, but wasn't sure about how to go about it and wasn't really in a place where she wanted to learn new software to do it. So if you're a smaller business or an entrepreneur on a budget, you don't necessarily have access to a full creative team of designers. So you tend to have to figure things out for yourself. So I did some searching for her. I found Ad Gen AI and I took it for a spin. I was actually quite pleased with what it produced. And so I thought I would introduce it to others who might be looking for the same solution. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the process so you can see what you're up against and if this is a tool that might work for you. Before we start, if you find the information helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. If you have questions, you can always leave those in the comments. And if you're ready, let's generate some ads. All right, this is a look at Ad Gen AI. So this is going to generate ads and you can actually publish your ads from this platform if you wanted to. You can always download them and then upload them to things like Meta and Google to put your ads out there, but you can connect all of your accounts to this platform and actually push directly to publish them. So something to think about, but let's get into it. The best part is you can start for free, so you don't have to pay anything to try this out. And if you like it, they've got a few different pricing plans, so you should be able to find something that works for you. I do think it's very budget friendly to start off with, and we will take a look at that in a moment. But when we get to this screen after signing in, now we've got a chance to get started. Now, I've done this a few times, and so I only have 1 credit left before I will need to upgrade to get more. So we're just going to try this out for a product. And the first thing that I need to do is paste the URL. I'm going to use a product from one of my clients' stores. So I'm going to paste the specific URL to that product in this field right here. So I've pasted the URL, then I'll hit analyze and I'll just take a moment for it to analyze the content. So now we're going to build our ad set. And so this is our opportunity to add any additional, whether that be branding. So we can add logos, we can choose fonts, we can make sure that we've got our brand name or our brand color. So I'm going to take a moment just to insert a few of these. I might actually go with a pink and let's do more of a purple. Once you fill those details out, then you just hit next. You can choose your audience. So we can set an age range, we can set a gender, we can do location, all of that. We've got an audience description that is generated from those details as well. If you love that, then you can hit next. We've also got our product name that's automatically being populated, the landing page URL for that product, and then we've got a bunch of images that have been imported. Now the one that I'm actually using is for the rose quartz. It's this moon gemstone cuff. So this one is fine because that's just more of like a marketing image. So we could leave that there. This is actually a different product as well as that one. So I'm going to delete those. This looks like the same product, but it's fine. We're going to leave those in. And then I am going to hit next to choose my creative format. So you can see there's been just really adding details. No design has really been necessary on my part. And this is kind of where we get into the next set. We can just do static images, which is what I'm going to actually generate. But do know that they've got this beta video, which seems like it's in development. And I've tested it out a couple times and I actually really liked it. I think video ads do really well. They definitely capture your attention. So if you are trying this out, I definitely would encourage you to give a spin. Otherwise, too, if you're just looking for a text-only ad, that's also an option and you can select that as well. We're going to do the image creative set and then I'm going to save this ad set. So now it's generating the ad copy. We can select tone and style. So it gives you a max of 3 tones. We've got empowering, elegant, spiritual. I feel like all of those things align. And then the ad copy purpose, if you're not sure what AIDA is, It's actually for attention, interest, desire, and action. If you have a different intention for it, like it's more of a testimonial or a promotion, or you're trying to get a fear of missing out kind of scarcity, buy now scenario, that you could do that. Right now, we're just going to use the AIDA option because I like that. It's got this copywriting direction. If there's anything in this that you don't like, you can always adjust that. So do know that. That's just kind of automatically being generated. And then if we're ready to move on, we'll hit next. We've got our color palette and I've chosen a font. I'm going to leave this one checked on. It says I'd like to see recommended styles in addition to the selected font and color. So if it feels like there's other things that it wants to throw in there, it's going to. We'll hit next. And then you have placement options. So where are you using these ads? Are they LinkedIn? Are they Google responsive display, responsive search, meta single image? If you're not sure what this means, it's like this is more Facebook, Instagram, or if you're doing more of a general display ad running through Google ads, then you could choose that if it's specific. The reason that you would choose these, they all do have different sizing associated with them. So I am just going to select these two. So do know that you can select more than one. Now, if I select these two, you can see right here, it's going to take 2 credits. And so I currently don't have 2 credits left. So do know that you can select more than one if you need to select multiple. But for now, I think we'll just run with the meta ads and then I will be able to generate that for a credit. Okay, looks like it's done generating. It only took a few moments. And so now we can see a variety of options. These are 1-to-1, so they're square ratios. And we can see connect with your heart chakra. We know that rose quartz is all about love and healing energy. So it's just pulling those details from it. I will say some of these, the copy is just a tiny bit small. So this might not be a layout that I would advocate for just because the copy is so small. You can barely read it. And so I would say anything that is more along this lines where it's like find peace and stress relief. I love that sizing. And of course, it's using different fonts than what I originally chose with because I left that checkbox on because I wanted to see more options. Love that this one has a call to action button, connect with your heart chakra. That one might be a little tougher to read. If I was actually designing that, I would have probably put like a gradient overlay just to give the text a little bit of contrast to stand apart from kind of like they're doing over here. But you can see that there is a lot of options that have been generated. They've thrown in some new colors as well. So if we don't like the pink and the purple that we chose, then we might say, oh, I really do like this green, unlock divine connection. So this is just a huge variety that has been generated in a matter of moments to either help you spark ideas, and you can continue to refine these too. Now we're going to look at the 9x16. So this is more of that story format on Instagram and Facebook, where if you're just trying to do a post like that, then you could definitely generate this format, and it's got copy and the images from the product. So lots of options there as well. Over here on this left-hand side, it says we can review and edit the campaign. So if there's anything, whether that's product name, the description, or the copywriting direction that we want to adjust, we can make those adjustments and you can generate more. Do know that it's going to take a credit every single time that you do it. So now I just basically need to select my winning design. Which one do I like the most? It doesn't mean that I can't use multiple in the future, but which one do I gravitate towards the most? I kind of like this one with the bright color there. So if I choose select and then hit next, then I can further refine this if needed. Again, we've got the copywriting direction over here. We've got the name, character. We've got a call to action, learn more. So when you can see it over here, that's where you can see the call to action and the headline that is being placed right there, as well as the primary text description. So anything in there that you want to adjust and tweak just a little bit, you have that power to do that. Once I'm happy with it, if I want to go ahead and publish this ad, I would click the publish this ad. Of course, in order to publish, you are going to need to subscribe to a plan. And as I had mentioned, there is a starter plan that will give you 10 credits, and you can see all of the details on that below, for $19 a month. So that is a fantastic price, in my opinion, to get started with generating some ads. Especially if you're new to ads and you're just not a designer yourself, not sure where to start, this can be a great place to either generate some ideas for you or, just produce some creative quite quickly, because it's very simple process, and I think it produced a huge variety and some good results. Maybe not all of them were winners, but we definitely found something that we liked. So all I would need to do then is subscribe to that. So let me know what you think. Is this a tool that you would try? I think my client is actually loving it a lot. She has been using it and putting ads out already. So I think it's a really interesting tool. I'd love to hear your feedback and see what you think about it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.